Hi guys! It's Tuesday, March 16th, 2021. It's 3:30 p.m. It's a beautiful sunny day, so I decided to put on my cleanest dirty clothes and come out here to the backcountry and have a nice fire and cook up this acorn squash before it goes bad. So yeah, it's supposed to be raining for the rest of the week, but the weather forecast changes daily here, so I doubt that it will. I'm just trying to get hot coals here again. I'm back in Squamish Valley. It's so beautiful here today. Somebody left a couple of pieces of wood over there. I'm just waiting to see if anybody's going to come back for it. If not, then it's mine. Yeah, see, this is why I put on my cleanest dirty clothes. And I prefer to be by myself. I just wish I would do this more often. I don't know why I don't. It's funny, like I want to be alone, but yet I fear being by myself out in the backcountry. It's a little twisted irony, right? Oh, geez. Yeah, I remember having these acorn squash as kids, and I hated it. It's funny how our taste buds change as we get older. And this is like a lot of things changes as we get older, or especially if we decide to make a conscious decision to change things in our lives. So when you make a conscious decision to change things in your life, then of course the people that were in it are no longer going to be of interest, because you're growing and they're not. It's not that there's anything wrong with them, it's just that you're going through a different stage in your life, and sometimes if you hang on to the people that you've been hanging around with for a long time, then you can't evolve, you can't grow. Okay, one more. It's always three. Three is usually a safe number for me. Voila. Okay, that's done. I could put this away. I'm just drinking a coffee. I haven't had alcohol in well over a month. I found this, I took this, like I was talking about, nobody was there, so, and nobody came for it. I haven't seen anybody there, and I've been here for, I've been here for a couple hours and nobody's been at that site, so I went and took this log from there. The last time I was here, which was probably well over a month ago, I took my stoker, like just a stick, but I stuffed it in the little shrubs here. I'm going to see if it's still here. That's my old spot right there. Somebody's got a tent on it right now, but I'm just right there, right next to it. But this here is where I put my stoker, and I just remembered it as over there. It's still here. See? Look at the bottom. You'll see it's burnt. Right there. The lightest colored one there. See? I'll get it. This. See? salad together, and I'm just going to eat some squash. These beans here I got when I was in Valleyfield. Somebody must have felt bad for me when I was at the Walmart parking lot. I woke up one morning and they had a bag of goodies. They had, like, you know, I mean, they meant well, but most of the stuff I don't really eat, but now I feel obligated. They left me like a little mini 6-pack of Pepsi. They left me a few cans of this Bush's Black Bean Fiesta. I forget what else now because that was well over, you know, 2-3 months ago. But yeah, so I'm just going to use this up. The Bush's Black Bean Fiesta. I'm going to put that on the acorn squash when it, or have it on the side with a little bit of greens here, my organic power greens, with some cucumber. I've got like some olives here. It's a little party mix of olives, and my salad dressing, and some butter, organic. Okay. The acorn squash should be done now. Yeah. The secret for everything to taste good is to let yourself get really hungry. And then it doesn't matter what you eat, everything tastes delicious. Okay. Delicious. Let's taste this together. So good. Wow. This together. It's actually very good. Again, I was only able to eat half of it, but look at this. It was all cooked so much, I was able to eat the skin. That's all that's left of it. Ooh, look at that. I almost spilled that all over the place. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this and dump it right in here. Butter and all. Oops, skin and all, I should say. But yeah, look at that. Yeah. All clean. It's 7:15, so that's around the time the sun sets. It's going to be getting dark, really dark in a little bit. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a lot of people camping here in Squamish Valley, so I don't feel so scared. I'm alone, but I'm not. It's beautiful. I only have a hoodie on. I'm gonna go try and see if I can gather more wood before it gets too dark, though, because I don't think this is gonna last me as long as I wanted to. I feel like staying up for a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go scavenge some more wood. It is 9:15. I've had such an amazing day. It's so relaxing, so peaceful. It is so healing. There's definitely healing benefits. I've got to try and do this more often. I would much rather sit in front of a campfire than in front of a computer. Tired, but I don't want to go on the van just yet. It's pitch black. The stars are out. My camera won't pick them up. Otherwise I'd show you, but the moon was out for a little bit too. Well, it was just like a little, not even a quarter of a moon, but it was out for a while. It's just such an incredible evening. I don't know if I'm going to film anymore in the morning, or I have no plans. So, just in case, I'm going to leave you with a little bit of peace, love and light from my heart
to yours. See you next video.